Guys, I just ended the video because my parents are watching a TV show. And dude, look how much mending I just bought. Dude, so much mending. I'm so rich. What are they watching? Oh, there it is. Okay. And so, yeah, guys, mending out the wazoo. I spent all my money. Bye, guys.